Hello everyone, I am Krunal Patil, roll number 3327, and this is assignment number 18, pyroelectric infrared sensor. What we do here is we determine whether the object is moving or not based on using the PIR motion sensor. So the components used is one is PIR motion sensor, the Arduino LED light to display the output whether the object is moving or not, and one resistor. The connections are the 12th pin of the Arduino is connected to the input pin of the signal pin of the PIR motion sensor, and it takes the input and processes in the Arduino, and based on that the LED glows. So the one end of LED's input is given to 13 pin, other end is given to ground. The remaining two pins of the PIR sensor, one is given 5 volt supply and the other is given the ground value. So if we check the coding part, the LED is connected to 13, which is the output. PIR pin is 12, which takes the input from 12th pin. This obstacle is assigned as low. Initially we do not have any obstacle. LED is given output, PIR is input, and is obstacle in digital reader. So what we do is we read the value which is being generated by PIR sensor, store it in is obstacle, and if the is obstacle is high, means the object is present and it is moving, then we glow the LED and also print on the monitor as obstacle detected. Else we clear the monitor and then we print clear, and then we do not glow the LED. So in this way the object can be detected if the LED glows. Coming to the simulation part, here we have an object but it is not moving, so the printing is print and the output is given as clear. As soon as we start moving the obstacle in front of the PIR motion sensor, the LED glows and the object and the print output is printed as obstacle detected. But as soon as we stop the obstacle, we can see that the LED stops glowing and also the output is clear. So in this way PIR sensor was able to detect whether the object was moving or the object was stationary. So this was assignment number 18, a pyroelectric infrared sensor. Thank you.